Welcome to Cooking Herbs Coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome URL overrides to replace the new tab page in your browser with whatever you want. So, instead of having a default new tab page, I can just pop open a new tab, and mine is boring. It just says Hello World on a blank page, but still, you can do stuff with it. There are whole extensions that are just different new tab pages, and it's not hard to do. So let's get started. Alright, so to get started, make a new folder. I'm putting mine right here on the desktop, and I'm going to call it New Tab. Oh, whoops. Wait a minute. No. Okay, I'm going to call it New Tab. And I accidentally opened it here. And then we're going to be saving stuff to here, but right now we're going to want to pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write stuff. We're not writing HTML right now, though. We will be later. It's really easy. So it's just one thing you got to specify in the manifest file. In quotes, name, you know the deal, colon, and in quotes, I'm calling mine Hello World New Tab. Such a creative name, I know. And then down here, add a description. In quotes. And then colon. And then again in quotes. I'm just going to say replaces new tab with Hello World. Hello Kitty. What if I put that there instead? I'm not doing that. Anyway, put that. Then, version, also in quotes. Not in quotes is the colon, then in quotes again. Well, this is the first version, so 1.0. In those quotes, comma, on the next line. In quotes, manifest, underscore version, end quote, colon, 2, not in quotes, no clue why, comma, next line, in quotes, Chrome, underscore URL, underscore overrides, end quote, colon, and then open curly braces on the next line, in quotes, new tab, one word, end quote, colon, open quotes again. I'm calling mine tab.html, but you can call your HTML file whatever you want. End quote. And close up that curly brace. And close up that first curly brace that you opened. I'm going to quickly save it. You have to call it manifest.json. Manifest. Not txt, but JSON. And I'm going to save it to the desktop, save. Alright. Now it'll be here under developer. Oh, actually, it won't be under developer. I don't know why, but it's classified as other. So it's here. I'll just drag it here in a new tab. Alright. And now in my text editor, make a new file. So a new window. And this is going to be our HTML file. All I'm going to do with this HTML file right now is make an h1 tag that says Hello World, because I don't feel like doing anything else. You can just, it's just HTML, you can do whatever you want in there. I'm going to call it tab, not txt, but html. And it's on the desktop, so it's classified as developer. It's right here. Let me drag that into new tab. Alright, now pop open your browser. You know the deal. And you go to, on Firefox, you would go to about, debugging. And on Chrome, I don't have Chrome on this computer, but I will put a link. I'll just click the card to put a video and fast forward until you get to the part where I show you how to test it on Chrome. So you click load temporary add-on, find it, wait, that's the wrong one, where is it? Desktop, it's on my desktop, where did it go? New tab, manifest.json, open. Alright, there it is, hello world, new tab. And when I open a new tab, it says hello world, and I get an announcement saying my new tab has changed. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I don't know. Oh, right! Buy my merch at cookingcurb.gq. Just go right here, click on shop. Got these 3 great shirts. And remember how to relace your shoes. It doesn't seem important, but it's a skill that may come in handy sometime soon. Also, this doesn't have anything to do with anything, but I took this rubber glove, filled it up with water, and put it in the freezer, and like, it's pretty cool. It's like a giant hand-shaped block of ice.